Sibhuntshile isiphakamiso seqembu iAfrican Transfomation Movement sokungabethembi ubuholi bukamengameli uCyril Ramaphosa. Kepha leliqembu belingesiyo ingxenye yaso ngelithi lona belisalinde isinqumo senkantolo ngesicelo salo sokuba ivoti lenziwe esithe. iATM idliwe yiningi lamalungu ANC elisePhalamende kulesi siphakamiso sebezivotelwa esidlangalaleni ngokwesinqumo sikasomlomo wePhalamende uNosiviwe Mapisa Nqakula.
Mayiwe le motion kuba akukho nto isecourt ngokokuba sifumene ingxelo ithi istrakwe off kwi-roll ayikho subjudice abana motion ke okwesithathu ngoku.
We know the president doesn't have the power or the backbone to move against them, and our constitution and rules of parliament make provision for this eventuality by giving this house the power to do so. So all that is now required is for enough of members of this house to choose to put their country ahead of their party.
A woman will go to the police station, they have to find their own way to the shelter, they must still find their own way to go and get a court interdict until they realize that that monster I'm trying to run away from is better than this system and the way it's treating me. Ramaphosa and his cabinet, everyone, hack Fresh Start.
And Honorable President, we will not support this motion today, because we are going to give you the benefit of the doubt. You are the leader. Take the necessary action to ensure that the people of this country benefit from your leadership, and put in place cabinet members that would do justice to their respective portfolios.
The ANC is clinging to power, and you will do everything possible to retain that power. And surely we cannot draw a distinction between the ANC and the ANC's leadership and the cabinet. The members of the cabinet are surely the leadership of the ANC. The president, unfortunately, has got a huge problem.